How to use Deen Buddy. So here is Deen Buddy app. Here it is. Quran chat, which you can just install and start using. Your daily Quran wisdom. This is one of the best ChatGPT apps for Quran. It's in top charts. AI Quran daily verses and prayer. Is your AI part Quran companion? Get instant answers to Quranic questions, receive daily inspirational verses, and stay on track with accurate prayer time notification. AI Quran chat, you can ask any Quran related question and get AI powered answers, understand meanings, tafsir and historical context easily, personalized responses based on authentic sources, daily Quran verses, receive daily inspirational Quranic verses, bookmark and share your favorite ayats, effortlessly enhance your understanding of the Quran one verse at a time. Prayer time notifications, accurate prayer time alerts based on your location, customizable Atan notification. So that's the idea in here. Unfortunately, this app is paid only, as I understand. So as you can see, this is what it is like. There's only free trial. There is 7-day free trial, and then it's like $5. So it's quite expensive in here. So that's basically what it is.